Dan from Rise Above here, and I'm here to teach you how to do some hard rolling. So what you're gonna go ahead and do, lying flat on that back, arms extended, you're gonna put one hand by your head, and you're gonna take your opposite knee and pull it towards your chest. So I've got my right arm on my head, so I'm gonna pull my left knee to my chest. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna take that elbow and pull it to the knee. Say, once you're in this position, it's gonna create tension through your core. And what we're gonna go ahead and do, keeping one arm up over the head and creating tension through your entire body, you're gonna go ahead and just rock back and forth. So you're going to roll one side to the ground, keeping it in control. Once you get to the ground on one side, you're gonna go ahead, you're gonna bring it back up, and then you're going to go ahead and roll to the other side. Again, keeping it in control that whole time, and you're just gonna go back and forth, keeping that tension. And then you're gonna go ahead and work the other side. And that's how you complete hard rolling.